Hey, this is Pierce. Today we're going to go over some mower tips and tricks on your lawnmower blades. The question is, do I need new blades or can I get by with the blades I have? So we're going to go ahead and show you 5 different blades and signs to look for on whether you need new blades or yours can be sharpened and balanced. So here we go. Alright, so here I got 5 blades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one of course is new. Brand new. This is a mulch type blade. All blades could be shaped different. You can have mulch, you can have high lift, you can have standard. It can be several different types, but that's not the real issue here. I'm going to show you here. This is your blade. Of course, this is a mulch blade. That's why it's shaped like this. And this is the end. Some ends can be curved, slotted. They can have notches in them. But I'm going to show you the differences on, do I need blades or can I make it again? So here we go. Blade number 2. So this is a worn blade. See, this one's got a rounded end like I talked about. It does have some wear on both sides. As long as your blade's not bent, of course you need to look and make sure it's not bent. This blade here can be sharpened again and balanced. Balance is very crucial. Most lawnmower shops do not balance blades. They grind them on each side till they look good, put them back on. If they're not balanced, that's what destroys your spindles, because you may be heavier on one side, lighter on the other side, and that's what, when it's spinning at a high RPM, it's out of balance, and that's what kills your spindle bearings. Blade number 3, see here, got a lot more wear on it, but here's the real crucial part. The end is wore down, so this blade is not as long as it should be. And I don't know if you can see here, but it's actually a lot thinner than it should be. So this blade is no good. Some people may argue with you on it, but this blade should not be sharpened. It should be thrown away and replaced. Blade number 4. This one's really bad. If you look, somebody had sharpened this one way too many times, because the edge used to be all the way up to here. Alright, the ends are very thin. If you see that groove, that piece is going to fly off. It's not if, it's when. So when they fly off, they go somewhere. It could go into a house, a car, somebody walking by. This blade's dangerous. It really needs to be thrown away. And for the last one here, this one shows you, this is the piece I was talking about on another one. It went somewhere. We don't know where, but whoever owned this mower let it go way too long. And if you look at your cutting edge, it goes in and almost makes like a slight U. This blade was way past its prime. So just a little lesson on your blades. If your dealership tells you you need new blades, if you want to look at them, you know kind of what to look for. Like I said, this blade can be redone, but it has to be balanced. So make sure your dealer is balancing your blades. If they're just sharpening your blades, you're not really doing anything. Yes, you're making them sharp, but it's going to ruin your spindle bearings. So like I said, this is what your blade looks like from the factory. It is balanced. If it was on a balancer, it would, you see how it's even. It's not even, it's out of balance. So just little tips and tricks I want to show you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.